As times change in our world, we have to find ways to provide better services to our clients more efficiently. As part of that service, we need to know the issues that our clients face and how we can be best prepared to assist them with those issues and other challenges that arise from property ownership. Challenges that range from whether they can trim their trees to the issues of how their property might be valued. When clients are unsure of the issues they're facing regarding their real property, they can easily become worried and uncertain about the future. If you think about it from your client's perspective, at the very least, their property represents income and investment. And at the most, it represents their physical home and their security. Having a solid knowledge of the changes in the law and our industry, as well as how those changes will affect a client, is one way we can extend to them something more than just another salesperson face, and instead help their decision-making and ultimately their peace of mind. During our course of study, we mentioned the case of Kello v. City of New London, Connecticut, and how the Supreme Court had held that the City of New London had the authority to take a non-blighted private property by eminent domain and then transfer it for $1 a year to a private developer for the purpose of increasing municipal revenues. We observed that the shock wasn't the government had used eminent domain to take a property and then essentially give it to a corporation, but instead the swift and strong reaction by state governments and private citizens and a backlash against the indiscriminate use of eminent domain. The decision received heavy press coverage and resulted in a groundswell of public outcry, criticizing eminent domain powers as too broad. States and people had had enough, and one of those states was Florida. You might be well served to go back and read Kello v. City of New London, and then read some of the legal changes that were made in Florida following the decision. State power swings back and forth, sometimes too much and sometimes not enough. But how those powers can affect your clients' livelihoods and lives, we should know for their security. That's how we can set ourselves apart. I'm Sherry Witcherly. Thank you for your time.